single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in and following this channel. So today I'll show you my skincare routine. So I have some products that I'm using. So the first one is this Acne Stress Control, and then I use the oily acne wash, and this product is like the must. It's very natural, the aloe vera. It cost me like $2 on Amazon. And the brush, you must have this brush, like it's a must, like you must have it. It's very good for your skin. And boom, the Makari. I use this for my skin to have this type of skin. This is my go-to. You don't need to buy this, but just in case you are wondering. And for my mask, I'm using 1 egg and powder milk. Just mix them together, and then you have this product. This is very natural. I recommend always to go natural instead of using those fake masks that I am not encouraging. So this is the best. So let's do it. So previously I just use my towel to remove the excess of the product in my face, and then I'll be using again this. It's like alcohol, just to make sure that everything is removed. And I'll be applying my mask with my hands. I don't need any brush or anything like that. Yeah, you put it around your mouth, just don't put it also in your eyes or something, just around your eyes. The nose is like the best part, because like even when you put your makeup, the first part that becomes oily is your nose. So I apply it on my forehead. Yeah, because the sun hits the forehead the first. So and we'll let it sit for 20 minutes. So I'll see you right back. So my 20 minutes is up, so now I'm gonna run and wash my face with a warm water, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final result after washing my face. So now I'll be applying my aloe vera. My skin feels so good. And my final product, Makari. I'm just applying just a little bit. And I am all done. My skin is clear, good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just go down and comment, like and share, and subscribe. So please just go to the link for any products that you will need, and if you just happen to like forget something, just go back to the video. So thanks again. Bye.